Good day, YouTubers! Now, I'll be showing you how to increase your YouTube views by using SEO titles, SEO description, and SEO tags. So first, we're gonna use Google Gemini or ChatGPT, and then we will command it to create me an SEO title for my YouTube video or YouTube upload entitled How to Create a YouTube Banner. And then put quotation marks to your title so it will be recognized by the AI. Create me an SEO title for my YouTube video entitled How to Create a YouTube Banner and hit enter. So the keyword is SEO title. If you are going to create a title, and then you see it created lots of titles for you. How to make a YouTube banner fast and easy tutorial. How to create a YouTube banner on Canva step by step. You can choose one, put the most appropriate to your video, and that's it. Your video will be optimized. Because of using SEO titles, your video's reach or audience reach will be boosted. These are the words that mostly used by the internet users or the YouTube users. And when you use search engine optimized words or titles, you will notice that your video performance will be boosted. Your views will increase, subscribers will increase using SEO titles. That's why we should use search engine optimized titles or keywords. Here's another thing. Create me an SEO description of my video how to make a YouTube banner. For example, that's your title. How to make a YouTube banner, and hit enter for my upload in YouTube. Hit enter. And then it will generate a description that you can post on your YouTube upload. So here, you can just copy all of this and paste this on your video's description. So that's it. That's how you make SEO description, search engine optimized description of your videos in YouTube. You can also use this to create SEO tags. Just command the AI to create SEO tags for you, for your video. Please subscribe. Bye!